Welcome to Japonica.
Japonica with Lit Roots.
I'm Lit Roots and you're never gonna believe what I've seen in Japan. You're expecting that kind of monotone that you might find on TikTok where somebody's found a viral cake store. You have come to the wrong place. So what is Japonica? A monthly look at all things Japanese from a different perspective. We're going to focus on news, stories, cultures, alternative adventures. Let's just celebrate Japan.
Japonica! Japan news latest.
So we could start this month's section with the latest information about the rise of the far right in Japan. Or we could focus on the tsunami warnings and all the chaos that came with that. But we're not going to focus on politics and tsunamis and life-changing events. We're going to focus on the real stuff. Bicycles that make horrible noises. A Japanese mayor tried to ban noisy bicycle brakes. I kid you not. In one Tokyo suburb, officials proposed a noise ordinance on squeaky bike brakes after locals complained that the sound ruined the peaceful atmosphere of the city. I mean, we're talking about Tokyo here, one of the noisiest places you can probably be. Anyway, he said, "We just want people to glide through the neighbourhood like whispers," which is beautiful, terrifying, and somehow exactly what I expected from Japan. From squeaky brakes to squeaky voices. Let's go and take a look at what's on in Japan this August in a segment that I've lovingly called
Japonica! Is it shite or unmissable?
On the 11th of August, the Awa Adori Festival in Tokushima. Japan's most enthusiastic dance marathon, streets full of shouting, flailing and coordinated chaos, somewhere between a traditional performance and a well-meaning group seizure. The verdict? Shite. Unless you like enjoying yourself, in which case, unmissable. On the 20th of August, we have the watermelon smashing on the beach in Chiba. I mean, what August would not be complete without smashing the watermelon on a beach? Blindfolded people with sticks, watermelons, screaming, "It's summer in the sand," Japanese style. Verdict? Unmissable. Okay, that's enough of the what's on with all the festivals and noise and fruit violets. Let's focus on a couple of things. I don't know why I started to go Italian there. Let's focus on a unique experience that I have found for you that you're going to love to do in Japan. Yamanote Roulette. This one's easy. Hop on the Yamanote line, that big green circle looping through all the major Tokyo hubs, and at each stop, get off, wander a bit, eat something odd, or take a questionable photo. Some people turn it into a game, scoring points for things like trying an exotic snack, having a shot, grabbing a random drink, or taking a weird selfie with some mildly unhinged thing, person, or object. Bonus point if you spot those white tiled walls plastered all over the city, turning your camera roll into a beautiful blur of the same but different rectangles. This is a thing where people do this. They find these white tiles from the Tokyo architecture and they take a photo of it. And you can never distinguish exactly what suburb or part of Tokyo it is, and you've just got a camera roll full of white tiles with you. There are no real rules, no winners, just snacks, strange detours, and mild confusion. It's now time for some 50-second fines.
50-second fines.
50 seconds. Not much time, right? Well, it is if you're a neglected site of Japan. And to emphasise that, I'm standing next to water and a beach. This month's blinking an eye you'll miss it gem, Wakayama. Just south of Osaka, Wakayama is the kind of place you go if you enjoy castles, seafood and quiet. There's a proper hilltop castle with a moat, a view, and the rare luxury of personal space. The gardens are serene, the vending machines don't scream limited edition at you, and over at the Kiriyoshio market, a man will calmly slice a tuna the size of a Vespa, while a crowd claps as they watch like it's a ballet. Beautiful, poetic Wakayama. It is like Kyoto if Kyoto took a sedative and stopped trying to impress your aunt. It's a must. Get your ass there.
50-second fines.
Ever wondered what it'd be like to swim like a fish out there? Nah, me neither.
Think you know Japan? It's time to test your wildly niche knowledge of Japan.
With a game I like to call...
Guess the place.
Really? I mean, all that budget, that's the best we could do? Seriously?
Anyway, it's time to test your wildly niche knowledge of Japan, where you flash up a random location and you pretend you didn't Google it immediately. Is it a shrine, a car park, a pot noodle statue? Who knows? Guess in the comments and feel free to be smug about it.
Obviously no prizes.
Your time starts now.
That's all from Japonica this month. If you want to see a little bit more of me, then have a look at this video where I'm struggling in Akihabara with some pretty creepy vending machines. Until then, bye for now.